How to make $20,000 a month. With one blog, David, a regular guy with a passion for apartment decoration and organization, decided to embark on a blogging journey back in November 2020. His story serves as a beacon of inspiration for anyone looking to turn their passion into a profitable online venture. When David first started his blog, he didn't overcomplicate things. He knew he wanted to share his expertise and insights on apartment decoration and organization, a topic he was genuinely passionate about. This brings us to David's first piece of advice: choosing the right niche. David emphasizes the importance of doing thorough research before diving into a niche. He suggests aspiring bloggers conduct keyword research to gauge the level of interest in their chosen topic. Understanding what people are searching for can help bloggers tailor their content to meet audience demand effectively. Once David had a clear idea of his niche, he tackled the technical aspects of setting up his blog. He opted for a self-hosted WordPress website, a decision he believes is crucial for establishing ownership and control over one's online platform. While David recommends a web hosting service like Bluehost, he acknowledges that there are other viable options available to suit different preferences and budgets. Choosing an appropriate theme for the blog is the next step in the process. David advises against splurging on an expensive theme right off the bat. Instead, he suggests starting with a free or affordable option and investing in a more premium theme later down the line if necessary. Consistency is key in the world of blogging, according to David. Establishing a regular posting schedule helps build trust with readers and keeps them coming back for more. Whether it's once a week or once a month, sticking to a consistent schedule is essential for maintaining momentum and growing an audience over time. Now let's talk about the money. David stresses the importance of focusing on ROI, or return on investment. While starting a blog may not require a significant financial investment up front, it does demand a considerable amount of time and effort. It's essential to prioritize tasks that yield the highest return, whether it's optimizing content for search engines or promoting posts on social media. Generating traffic is crucial for monetizing a blog effectively. David shares his experience of earning $1,200 in his first 2 weeks running ads on his blog. This influx of income was made possible by driving traffic to his site through various channels, including social media, search engine optimization, and networking with other bloggers. Affiliate marketing is another avenue through which David generates revenue from his blog. While he initially started with Amazon's affiliate program, he advises new bloggers to wait until they have a substantial amount of traffic before applying. Diversifying income streams through affiliate marketing allows bloggers to maximize their earning potential and mitigate risk. When it comes to allocating time and resources, David advocates for a strategic approach. He advises bloggers to focus on tasks with a high ROI, such as keyword research, content promotion, and audience engagement. By prioritizing activities that contribute directly to revenue generation, bloggers can optimize their productivity and efficiency. Furthermore, David emphasizes the importance of diversifying income streams to safeguard against fluctuations in revenue. Relying solely on ad revenue or affiliate marketing leaves bloggers vulnerable to changes in the market or platform policies. By exploring alternative monetization methods, such as sponsored content, digital products, or membership subscriptions, bloggers can create a more stable and sustainable income model. In addition to focusing on monetization strategies, David encourages bloggers to invest in personal development. This includes investing in keyword research tools, blogging courses, and other resources that can help enhance their skills and knowledge. By staying informed about industry trends and best practices, bloggers can position themselves for long-term success in a competitive market. One area that David highlights is the importance of leveraging social media platforms like Pinterest to drive traffic to his blog. He emphasizes the value of creating visually appealing content and optimizing it for maximum visibility on Pinterest. By mastering the art of pin design and strategically sharing content on the platform, bloggers can attract a broader audience and increase their blog's reach. As David reflects on his journey to blogging success, he underscores the importance of perseverance and adaptability. Building a profitable blog requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. By embracing challenges and seizing opportunities, bloggers can unlock their full potential and achieve their financial goals. Looking ahead to the future, David remains optimistic about the growth potential of traditional blogging in 2024 and beyond. He believes that as more people recognize the opportunities presented by the digital economy, the demand for high-quality content and expertise will continue to rise. With the right strategy and mindset, aspiring bloggers can carve out their own niche in the online space and create a lucrative income stream doing what they love. In conclusion, David's journey from novice blogger to $20,000 per month success story serves as a testament to the power of passion, persistence, and strategic thinking. By following his advice and adopting a proactive approach to blogging, aspiring bloggers can turn their dreams of online success into reality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.